Good morning, students. Today we are starting our curriculum activity with first unit from the syllabus. Before proceed to concept GST directly, let's understand background. Students, we all are living in society and belong to a nation. We all make some contribution to each other and collectively the contribution makes great support to development of the country. In reverberance, nation, that is, government of nation provides some facilities to their inhabitants. For instance, all kinds of transportation and allied services, energy, healthcare, education, utilities, etc. Such facilities altogether falls under social sector. The sector which works only for the social welfare or the sector which does not have profit motto. Now, the question arises, if government is providing such social welfare services without expectation of profit, then how they can match their expenditure with revenue? The answer is tax. Tax is defined as financial obligation. It is a fee levied by the government of the respective country on income, goods and activity. The main reason for imposing taxes is that they are the main source of revenue to the government. The tax structure in India is dichotomic in performance, that is, direct tax and indirect tax. Direct tax consists of two ways, income tax and wealth tax. Income tax is the tax which levy on the income that earned by an individual in a financial year. Wealth tax is the tax which levy on wealth of an individual, that is maybe property tax. These two tax directly levied on an individual and the individual cannot shift the burden to anyone else, hence the tax known as direct tax. But the nature of indirect tax is little different from direct tax. Indirect tax consists of two different levels of payment structure, that is central level and state level. At central level, tax was divided in three manner: excise, service tax and customs. Excise was the tax which levied on the goods which are going to be exported beyond territory. Service tax was covered almost all services rendered in the country or within the territory of country. Custom was the duty which charged on the goods which are imported from other country. At the state level, tax is divided in two manners: VAT and CST. VAT and CST. VAT is value added tax and CST is central sales tax. VAT was charged at the stage where a value addition has made to a product. CST was charged when the goods sold from one state to another. Here, the another passage of state level tax was entry tax, luxury tax, and lottery tax. Oops, such a lengthy pattern of tax. Students, this lengthiness is responsible variable for creating lethargic or apathetic behavior of taxpayers towards their tax liability and allied documentation practices. Due to this lengthy process of tax payment and apathetic behavior towards tax liability, government has recognized the huge gap in expected revenue collection and actual tax payment. This gap emerges the need of reformation of tax structure. Hence, GST is come into existence. Due to the multiple taxes and multiple tax rates at multiple stages, it was really difficult to manage collection of tax in response to expected tax liability. The GST has minimizes such management issues as it works like one nation, one tax and one market. Students, here I provide the difference between direct and indirect tax in this video. Please go through the slide and feel free to ask about your doubts. In next video, we will resume with the term GST. Till then, follow the security directions for this epidemic circumstances and stay safe. Thank you.